you had a less than a 3.0. You went to school that most people haven't heard of in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. And so how in the world did you end up at Bear Stearns?
All right, we'll throw a little magic in the middle.
Yeah.
So I knew what I wanted to do in essence.
Mm-hmm.
Keep in mind, I grew up right outside New York City, so the city and the finance track was always something I understood.
Sure.
So having that more technical, quantitative reasoning background always sent me back that way. And I just did the old-fashioned method of networking. Being a 22-year-old coming from a small school, you didn't know a lot of folks. But there were a couple strong contacts that I didn't abuse, but I relied on for guidance and asked for, you never ask for a job, you always ask a question and advice.
Mm-hmm.
Now somebody's, at this point in my career, I totally understand it. Everyone's favorite topic is themselves.